Welcome everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to the milk recording analysis within InterHerd Plus. To access milk recording details within InterHerd Plus, click on Reports, Milk Recordings. The Milk Recordings report displays summary over the latest 24 milk recording dates. The horizontal split in the screen means that the detail in the lower split reflects the data collected on the milk recording date selected in the top grid. The milk recording report is divided into 4 tabs: Recording Details, Thematic Cell Reports, Feed Monitor, and Fat and Protein Monitor. Within the Recording Details tab, the Averages tab summarises the milk yield and constituents achieved at the selected milk recording by different cohorts of animals in the herd. For example, these are the averages of the milk recorded on the 26th of January 2023. Now that we've changed the date to the 30th of December 2022, these averages have now changed. We can change the summary by the drop-down list to month of calving or lactation number, and we can also change the population, the lactation 1 or lactation 2+. Next is the individual cow tab. This details days in milk, milk yield, expected milk yields, and further details on fat, protein and somatic cell count. This data can be sorted and filtered. For the expected milk parameter, if the animal's performance is more than 15% more than expected, the value will be in green. If over 25% above the expectation, it will be in green and in bold. If the animal's performance is more than 15% below than the expected value, it will be in red. And if over 25% below expectation, it will be in red and in bold. Sorting these values rapidly identifies cows performing well below expectation, irrespective of stage of lactation. To examine the possible cause of poor performance in an individual animal, click the relevant row in the grid, right-click and jump to Animal Record. The graph of averages. The Graph of Averages tab displays the individual milk yields from the selected milk recording date for the group of cows. The black predicted line shows the performance expected of the cohort of animals. The blue line shows the best fit through the actual data points. If the blue line is above the black line, it indicates overall that this cohort of cows is performing above expectation. You can edit this graph to show different stages of lactation and different populations using the drop-down boxes. The final tab under Recording Details are the Changes tabs. The Changes tab allows the display of milk, fat and protein yields of cows at consecutive milk recordings. It is recommended to make greater use of the expected values in the individual cow grid to identify cows that are performing below expectation. And similar to the individual cow grid, this can all be filtered and ordered. The somatic cell count reports, feed monitor, and fat and protein monitor will be discussed in later videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us and follow us on Twitter at InterHerd Plus.